Hello students and good morning. So now I am doing class for class 10. The topic is partnership business. This is the continuation online class. So in the last online class also we did some problems on partnership business. So today we'll do very short answer type question from the book. That is, this is objective type of question is there and each question carries 1 mark. Okay. Now in the last online class we did multiple choice of question, that is 16 number A. So today we will do, let us write whether the following statements are true or false. So we will do this type of problem, that is true or false type question. Okay, so very short answer type question from the same exercise 14, page number 205 from the book Ganit Prakash for class 10 by West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. Okay, so we'll do very short answer type questions now. So this is 16 number B. Let us write whether the following statements are true or false. So in question number 1, it is asked at least 3 persons are needed in partnership business. So whether the statement is true or false, at least 3 persons are needed in a partnership business. के कम्तीमा पनि हामीलाई 3 जना मान्छेहरु चाहिन्छ. पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस गर्नुलाई मिनिमम हामीलाई 2 जना मान्छेहरु चाहिन्छ. मिनिमम 2 partners are required. Minimum 2 persons are required to do the partnership business. तर क्वेशनमा के भन्दैछ, at least 3 persons भनेर भनेको छ. That means हामीलाई 2 जना मान्छे पनि चाहिनु सक्छ हैन. हामीलाई 2 जना मान्छे मात्र भए पनि हुन्छ, so that they can start the partnership business. The at least हामीलाई कति जना मान्छे चाहिन्छ, 2 जना मान्छे चाहिन्छ to start the partnership business. So this statement is false, right? This statement is false. Is that clear to all of you? So this is the answer for the first question. So now number 2. So also in this case you have to check that whether the given statement is true or false, right? So question number 2 here is, ratio of capital of Raju and Asif in a business is 5:4. त यहाँ के दिएको छ, राजु र असिफ को ratio of capitals दिएको छ 5:4. And if Raju gets profit share of rupees 80, if Raju gets profit share of rupees 80, Asif will get profit share of rupees 100. So whether the given statement is true or false, you have to check it. So what is given in the question? Ratio of capitals is given for Raju is to Asif, which is equal to 5:4. So if Raju gets a profit share of rupees 80, then Asif will get a profit share of rupees 100. So whether the statement is true or false, you have to check it. तो यदि राजु को प्रॉफिट शेयर से रुपीस 80 छ भने असिफ को प्रॉफिट शेयर से रुपीस 100. सो यो स्टेटमेन्ट ट्रू हो कि फल्स हो, यू हैव टु चेक इट. असिफले कति पाउँछ भनेर भन्दैछ, प्रॉफिट शेयर अफ रुपीस 100 पाउँछ कोले, असिफले. सो वेदर द स्टेटमेन्ट इज ट्रू और फल्स, यू हैव टु चेक इट. ओके, सो नाउ हियर रेशियो अफ क्यापिटल्स. Ratio of capitals is equal to Raju is to Asif. So which is equal to कति भयो, 5:4. Is that clear? Now हामी Asif को profit share suppose rupees X. Let profit share of Asif be rupees X, right? So what is profit share of Raju? Profit share of Raju, it is given as rupees 80. Is that clear now? So now you have to find out the ratio of profit. So you know that there is a formula that ratio of capitals is equal to ratio of profit. So using this formula you can get the share of Asif and you can check whether this Asif will get a profit share of rupees 100. Is it correct or wrong? You can check it. Okay, Now let us find out ratio of profit. So ratio of profit is equal to, so here ratio of profit is equal to, you have to find out Raju is to Asif. So यहाँ हामीले राजु पहिला ल्याएको थियो, असिफ सेकेन्डमा ल्याएको छ नि, यहाँ पनि त्यस्तै हुनुपर्छ. यहाँ असिफ इज टु राजु हुनु हुँदैन, यहाँ पनि के हुनुपर्छ, राजु पहिला असिफ सेकेन्डमा हुनु पर्यो. अब यहाँ असिफ फर्स्टमा राजु सेकेन्डमा हुनु हुँदैन. सो राजु इज टु असिफ नै हुनु पर्यो. सो राजु इज टु असिफ. सो विच इज इक्वल टु राजुको प्रॉफिट शेयर कति छ, ₹80 इज टु असिफ को प्रॉफिट शेयर हामीले कति सपोज गर्यौं, x. Is that clear? So now you know that ratio of capitals is to what? Ratio of profit. Ratio of profit. Okay? Or so what is ratio of capitals here? 5:4. It is 5:4 is equal to ratio of capitals is equal to you, not is to, that is wrong. So ratio of capitals is equal to ratio of profit. So ratio of capitals means 5:4 is equal to ratio of profit means 80 is to x. Is that clear? Now you can solve it now. So you can solve it. You can write it in terms of fraction. Therefore 5/4 is equal to 80 divided by x. Is that clear? So now you can do cross multiplication. 5x is equal to 4 into 80, or x is equal to, this will be your 4 into 80 divided by 5. So you can cancel it. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. So 16 fours are what? It is 16 fours are 64. So x is equal to 64. So what is profit share of Asif? Therefore profit share of Asif is equal to ₹64. Is equal to ₹64. Is that clear? The question ले Asif को profit share कति भन्दैछ, ₹100. So this is wrong statement. Therefore the statement is false. Therefore the statement is false. Is that clear? So here both the statements are false out here. So you can copy it. So now we'll do the next type of question, that is this is 16 number C. Let us fill in the blanks. You have to fill in the blanks. So question number 1 is partnership business is of dash type. Partnership business कति प्रकारको हुन्छ? I already told you that partnership business is of two types. One is known as simple partnership business and the other one is known as compound partnership business. So I told you about the definition of simple partnership business and the compound partnership business, right? So partnership business is of question ma partnership business is of dash type. तो के लेकिन से यहाँ two types. Partnership business is of two types. Is that clear? So in the fill in the blanks you have to write 2. So next, number 2. Without any conditions in partnership business, if the capitals of all the partners are invested for the same time, then such a business is called simple partnership business. You know the definition, isn't it? If the capitals of partners are invested for the same time period, then this type of partnership business is known as simple partnership business. So question number 2 को you fill in the blanks में क्या हुन्छ? Simple partnership business. So without any conditions in partnership business, if the capitals of all the partners are invested for the same time, then such a business is called simple partnership business. तो ये के लेख्छ हामी? Simple partnership business. This is known as simple partnership business. So this is the definition of simple partnership business. Now in number 3, without any conditions in partnership business, if the capitals of all the partners are invested for the different time period, then such a business is called compound partnership business. So I told you the definition of compound partnership business in the last online class, isn't it? So if the capitals of partners are invested for different time periods, then such a partnership business is known as compound partnership business. So this is compound partnership business. So these are the answers. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question, short answer type question. Now we'll do short answer type question which carries 2 marks. Okay. So you can copy it. So now we'll do another type of question, that is question number 17. This question is of short answer type question, and in this case each question carries 2 marks. Okay, so this is question number 17. Number 1 is, in partnership business the ratio of capitals of Samir, Sam and Anthony are as 1/6:1/5:1/4. Okay, so ratio of capitals are given here, that is Samir is to Sam is to Anthony is equal to 1/6:1/5:1/4. So these ratios are given in terms of fraction, so you have to convert them into whole numbers. Is that clear? So now if they make a profit of rupees 3,700 at the end of the year, let us write by calculating the profit share of Anthony. So if they make a profit of rupees 3,700 at the end of the year, you have to find out the profit share of Anthony. Is that clear to all of you? The यो जुन चाहिँ रेशियो अफ क्यापिटल्स दिएको छ इन टर्म्स अफ फ्र्याक्सन मा दिएको छ, फ्र्याक्सन मा कहिले पनि हामीले राख्नु हुँदैन रेशियोलाई, you have to convert them into whole numbers. Is that clear? So now let us find out the ratio of capitals in terms of whole numbers. So ratio of capitals is equal to Samir is to Sam is to Anthony, right? So Samir 1/6 is to 1/5 is to 1/4. अब यो फ्र्याक्सन भयो 1/6 न्युमरेटर अपन डिनोमिनेटर, these are all fractions. यो फ्र्याक्सनलाई चाहिँ हामीले कसरी होल नम्बरमा लानुपर्छ यसको मेथड राम्रोसँग बुझ्नु। त यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर जुन चाहिँ छ, डिनोमिनेटर यहाँ 6 छ, 5 छ, 4 छ, यसको हामी के निकाल्छौं? एलसीएम निकाल्छौं। ठीक छ, के निकाल्छौं? एलसीएम. You know how to get the LCM, isn't it? 6, 5 र 4 को हामी के निकाल्छौं? एलसीएम निकाल्छौं। बुझ्दै छ? त कतिले जान्छ 2 ले 2 3 जा 6, 5 लाई जाँदैन, 5 को 5 देन 2 2 जा 4. अब गर्नु पर्दैन, यो 3 लाई 3 ले मात्रै जान्छ, 5 लाई 5 ले मात्रै जान्छ, 2 लाई 2 ले मात्रै डिवाइड हुन्छ। ठीक छ? त अब के गर्छौ? यो 4 वटा नम्बर you have to multiply them. So 2 3 जा 6, 6 5 जा 30, 32 जा 60. So 60 will be the LCM. त के गर्छौ हामी? यो प्रत्येक फ्र्याक्सनलाई हामी LCM ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्छौं। कतिले मल्टिप्लाई गर्छौ? LCM भनेपछि कति आएको छ यहाँ? 60. Is that clear to all of you? So 60 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु। 1/6 into 60 is to 1/5 into 60 is to 1/4 into 60. Is that clear? So now 6 1s are 6, 6 10s are 60. 5 1s are 5, 5 12s are 60. 4 1s are 4, this is 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. That is your 10 is to 12 is to 15. So this is the ratio of capitals in terms of whole numbers, right? So now this profit is equal to rupees 3,700. Now this profit rupees 3,700 should be divided in the ratio 10:12:15. Is that clear? So here profit is equal to rupees 3,700. This is your total profit at the end of the year. Now you have to find out only profit share of Anthony. Anthony को मात्र हामी profit share निकाल्छौं यसमा. ठीक छ? त पहिला हामी sum of the ratio निकाल्छौं. So sum of the ratio is equal to, you can add them, 10 plus 12 plus 15. 10 plus 12 plus 15 is equal to how much is that? This is your 37. Is that clear? Now you can find out the profit share of Anthony now. So therefore profit share of Anthony is equal to, now in this ratio, what is the equivalent number of Anthony? It is 15. Anthony ko kati aega 15 aega. So 15 divided by sum of the ratio. What is the sum of the ratio? 37 into what was the total profit? It is rupees 3,700. Is that clear? So 37 ones are 37. 37 is 100 times, which is equal to rupees. What is 15 multiplied by 100? It is 1,500. So this 1,500 rupees 1,500 is the profit share of Anthony. So this is the answer. Okay, so you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question now. So now we will do question number 2 of question number 17. If in a partnership business the ratio of capitals of Preetha and Ravia is 2:3, तो यहाँ के देखो सर, the ratio of capitals of Preetha and Ravia is 2:3. Preetha is to Ravia is equal to 2:3, and the ratio of Ravia and Jasmine is 4:5. That is, ratio of capitals of Ravia is to Jasmine is 4:5. Okay. So let us write by calculating the ratio of capitals of Preetha, Ravia and Jasmine. तो यहाँ पहिला के देखो छ, ratio of capitals Preetha is to Ravia is equal to 2:3. Also it is given that ratio of capitals Ravia is to Jasmine is 4:5. Now you have to find out the ratio of capitals which is equal to Preetha is to Ravia is to Jasmine. Is that clear to all of you? यहाँ हामीलाई Preetha र Ravia को मात्र दिएको छ ratio of capitals 2:3, अनि यहाँ दिएको छ ratio of Ravia र Jasmine दिएको छ 4:5. त तिमीले के निकाल्नु पर्छ? Ratio of capitals of Preetha is to Ravia is to Jasmine. Okay? Now ratio of capitals is equal to Preetha is to Ravia, right? So which is equal to, it is 2:3. This is 2:3. You can write it in terms of fraction. So therefore Preetha divided by Ravia is equal to 2/3. So let us write it in terms of fraction. Okay. Similarly, you can write down the ratio of Ravia is to Jasmine is equal to 4:5 in terms of fraction here also, isn't it? So ratio of capitals is equal to Ravia is to Jasmine. Ravia is to Jasmine is equal to how much is it? It is 4:5. So now we can write it in terms of fraction here also. That is Ravia divided by Jasmine, which is equal to 4 divided by 5. So it is 4 divided by 5. ठीक छ, हामीले फ्र्याक्सनमा चेन्ज गर्यौं. So what do we see here is that रबिया यो दुईटैमै छ यहाँ पनि रबिया छ यहाँ पनि रबिया छ यहाँ रबियाको इक्विभ्यालेन्ट नम्बर कति 3 यहाँ रबियाको इक्विभ्यालेन्ट नम्बर कति छ 4 यो 3 र 4 लाई चाहिँ हामी इक्वल बनाउँछौं by multiplying it by some number यो 3 र 4 लाई चाहिँ हामीले we have to make it equal numbers by multiplying it by some numbers okay अब यो 3 लाई कतिले मल्टिप्लाई गर्छौं त यो 3 लाई हामी यो 4 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्छौं so this will be 3 into 4 is 12 right again अब यो 4 लाई चाहिँ यो 3 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु यो 3 ले चाहिँ यहाँ रबियाको इक्विभ्यालेन्ट नम्बर कति छ 4 यहाँ रबियाको इक्विभ्यालेन्ट नम्बर कति छ 3 यहाँ रबियाको इक्विभ्यालेन्ट नम्बर कति छ 4 यो दुईटा नम्बरलाई हामी इक्वल बनाउनु पर्छ त कसरी बनाउँछ भन्दा फेरि यो जुन चाहिँ रबियाको इक्विभ्यालेन्ट नम्बर 3 छ यो 4 ले यहाँ मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु 3 4 जा कति भयो 12 अब रबियाको यहाँ इक्विभ्यालेन्ट नम्बर 4 अब यो 4 लाई चाहिँ हामीले केले मल्टिप्लाई गर्छौं यो 3 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु पर्छ सो दैट वी क्यान मेक इट 12 यहाँ पनि 12 हुन्छ त्यहाँ पनि 12 हुन्छ इक्वल भइगयो सो हियर दिस 3 शुड बी मल्टिप्लाइड बाइ 4 हामी आफै मल्टिप्लाई गर्दैछौं है यो we are multiplying ourselves this number 3 by 4 again you have to multiply the numerator by 4 again किनभने यो 4 लाई त क्यान्सल गर्नु पर्यो नि त हामीले हैन त यो 4 लाई क्यान्सल गर्नुलाई चाहिँ again you have to multiply the numerator by 4 so it is 2 into 4 is that clear so it is 2 4s are 8 divided by 3 4s are 12 so if you simplify it if you write it in terms of lowest form you will get 2 by 3 isn't it 4 2s are 8 4 3s are 12 you will get 2 by 3 but keep it as it is 8 by 12 because we are making this number 3 and 4 equal by multiplying this 3 by 4 and multiplying 4 by 3 okay so now here also 4 should be multiplied by 3 to make it equal 12 right so 4 into 3 if this 4 is multiplied by 3 हामी आफै मल्टिप्लाई गर्दैछौं you should multiply the denominator by 3 here also divided by 5 into 3 यदि हामीले यो न्यूमरेटर 4 लाई 3 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्यो भने डिनोमिनेटर 5 लाई पनि हामीले 3 ले नै मल्टिप्लाई गर्नुपर्छ किनभने यो इक्वल बनाउनलाई हामी आफैले 3 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्दैछौं त न्यूमरेटरमा 3 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु डिनोमिनेटरमा नि कतिले मल्टिप्लाई गर्छौं 3 ले नै मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु ठीक छ सो 4 3s are 12 divided by 5 3s are 15 यदि तिमीले यसलाई लोएस्ट फर्ममा लेख्नु कति हुन्छ 3 4s are 12 3 5s are 16 3 5s are 15 so if you divide 12 by if you divide 12 and 15 by 3 you will get 3 4s are 12 3 5s are 15 is that clear so it will be 4 upon 5 3 4s are 12 3 5s are 15 you will get the same fraction 4 by 5 but don't simplify it because in this case we are making these 3 and 4 equal which is equal to 12 okay now you can write down the ratio of capitals is equal to Preetha is to Rabia is to Jasmine so therefore ratio of capitals so ratio of capitals is equal to now you have to find out ratio of capitals of Preetha is to Rabia is to Jasmine Preetha is to Rabia is to Jasmine is to Jasmine is equal to अब यहाँ Preetha को इक्विभ्यालेन्ट नम्बर कति आयो 8 is to अब यहाँ Rabia को इक्विभ्यालेन्ट नम्बर कति 12 यो दुईटा सेम आयो 12 is to now Jasmine को इक्विभ्यालेन्ट नम्बर कति छ 15 so I think you have understood it now you cannot cancel them so this is the final answer is that understood so what is the ratio of capitals Preetha is to Rabia is to Jasmine it is 8 is to 12 is to 15 so this is the final answer so you can copy it so now we'll do the next question that is 17 number 2 the total profit is rupees 1500 in a partnership business of two persons दुई जना मान्छे मिलेर एउटा बिजनेस व्यापार स्टार्ट गर्यो त त्यो पार्टनरशिप बिजनेसमा टोटल प्रॉफिट चाहिँ कति भएछ रुपीस 1500 Okay, if the capital of Rajiv is rupees 6,000 and profit is rupees 900, the Rajiv ko capital, Rajiv ko investment सुरुमा कति रहेछ राजुको इन्भेस्टमेन्ट राजुले कति तिर्दैछ what is capital of Rajiv? It is rupees 6,000 and his profit share is rupees 900. Okay, so let us calculate how much was the capital of Aftab. Capital of Aftab चाहिँ कति छ? Aftab को इन्भेस्टमेन्ट चाहिँ कति हो? Aftabले चाहिँ त्यो पार्टनरशिप बिजनेसमा जोइन गर्दा कति पैसा तिरेको थियो त्यो निकाल्नु पर्छ. Is that clear now? So here total profit is rupees 1,500. Profit of Rajiv is rupees 900. So you can get the profit of Aftab, isn't it? By subtracting this 900 from 1,500, right? So total profit कति रहेछ? So total profit is equal to rupees 1,500. So Rajiv's profit कति छ? Rajiv's profit. So Rajiv ko profit kati cha? Rajiv ko profit and profit is rupees 900, right? If you subtract it, you will get profit of Aftab. Aftab's profit is equal to rupees. Now subtract them 006. That is rupees 600 will be Aftab's profit. Now we have to find out the capital of Aftab. What was the investment? What was the investment of Aftab before joining the business? Or Aftabले business join गर्दा कति पैसा तिरेको थियो त्यो निकाल्नु पर्छ. बुझ्यो? Let capital of Aftab be rupees X. Okay? You know that I already told you that ratio of capitals is equal to ratio of profit. So let us find out ratio of capital first. Ratio of capitals is equal to Rajiv is to Aftab. Rajiv is to Aftab. So what was capital of Rajiv? What was capital of Rajiv? Rupees 6,000. This is 6,000 is to Aftab ko capital. हामीले suppose गरौँ कति? X, right? Now find out ratio of profit. So therefore ratio of profit. So ratio of profit is equal to Rajiv is to Aftab. Right now Rajiv is to Aftab, right? So which is equal to so profit of Rajiv is 900 is to Aftab's profit is equal to rupees 600. Okay, so you can cancel the similar terms in this ratio. 0000 common term can be cancelled. So it is 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, which is equal to 3:2. Is that clear to all of you? So you know that I already told you that ratio of capitals is equal to ratio of profit. Okay, so ratio of capitals is equal to ratio of profit. Is that clear? So you as a formula तिमीले याद गर्नुपर्छ. This is very very important, right? So ratio of capitals is equal to ratio of profit. Now what is ratio of capitals in this case? 6,000 is to X, which is equal to what is ratio of profit? It is 3:2. Now we can calculate the value for X. You can write this ratio in terms of fraction. 6,000 divided by X is equal to 3/2. Now we can do cross multiplication. So it is 3x is equal to 6,000 into 2 is 12,000, or X is equal to, this is your 12,000 divided by 3. Is that clear? So 3 ones are 3. Times 4,000. Therefore X is equal to 4,000. So actually what was X? Capital of Aftab is equal to rupees 4,000. So how much was the capital of Aftab? Aftab's capital is equal to rupees 4,000. So let us write down the answer now. So therefore, write down the answer. Capital of Aftab. So what was capital of Aftab? Capital of Aftab is equal to rupees 4,000. So this is the answer. So this question is very, very important, right? But this question carries only 2 marks. You can copy it. So now we'll do the next question, that is 17 number 4. The ratio of capitals of 3 persons is 3:8:5. 3 जना मानिसहरुको क्यापिटलको रेशियो दिएको छ, that is 3:8:5. Okay, and the profit of the first person is rupees 60 less than that of the third person. Third person को प्रॉफिट जति हुन्छ, फर्स्ट पर्सन को चाहिँ थर्ड पर्सन को भन्दा रुपीस 60 चाहिँ कम्ती हुन्छ. थर्ड पर्सनले जति पाउँछ, फर्स्ट पर्सन को प्रॉफिट चाहिँ थर्ड पर्सन को भन्दा कति कम्ती हुन्छ रे, रुपीस 60 चाहिँ कम्ती हुन्छ. भनेपछि कोले ज्यादा पाउँदैछ, थर्ड पर्सनले ज्यादा पाउँदैछ. त थर्ड पर्सनले चाहिँ फर्स्ट पर्सनले भन्दा कति ज्यादा पाउँदैछ, रुपीस 60, कि त फर्स्ट पर्सनले चाहिँ थर्ड पर्सनले भन्दा कति प्रॉफिट कम्ती पाउँछ, रुपीस 60. सपोज थर्ड पर्सनले 100 रुपीस पाएको छ भने फर्स्ट पर्सनले कति मात्रै पाउँछ, 60. 100 बाट 60 लेस गर्दा कति भयो, 40 भइगयो. बुझ्दैछ? त प्रॉफिट अफ फर्स्ट पर्सन इज रुपीस 60 लेस देन दैट अफ द थर्ड पर्सन भने बुझ्यो. थर्ड पर्सनले जति पैसा पाउँछ त्यसको 60 लेस चाहिँ कोले पाउँछ, फर्स्ट पर्सनले पाउँछ. बुझ्यो? So let us calculate the total profit in that business. You have to find out the total profit in this business. त्यो business मा चाहिँ total profit कति छ त्यो निकाल्नु पर्छ. So let us solve it now. Let the total profit in the business be rupees X. Suppose total profit in the business कति भयो, rupees X. Okay? तो यहाँ ratio of capitals of 3 persons is given, that is 3:8:5. तो अघि नै मैले भने ratio of capitals is equal to ratio of profit. जति ratio of capitals हुन्छ त्यही नै हो ratio of profit. So here you should write, let us write ratio of profit now. So ratio of profit is equal to first person is to second person is to third person, which is equal to 3:8:5. 3:8:5. Now this total profit of rupees X is divided in this ratio 3:8:5. Okay, so now you have to find out the sum of the ratio. Now sum of the ratio is equal to, what is the sum of the ratio? 3 plus 8 plus 5 is equal to कति भयो, 16. Okay, so अब कोकोसले फर्स्ट पर्सनले सेकेन्ड पर्सनले थर्ड पर्सनले कति कति प्रॉफिट पाउँछ त्यो हामी निकाल्न सक्छौं अब. So therefore profit of first person is equal to, so what is the profit of first person here? First person को equivalent number 3 छ. 3 divided by what is the sum of the ratio? That is your 16 into what was the total profit? Rupees X is equal to rupees, this is your 3x divided by 16. Okay, so now profit of second person. Now let us calculate profit of second person is equal to, now what is the equivalent number of second person? That is your 8. Second person equivalent number कति छ, 8. 8 divided by 16 into rupees what, X. So here you can cancel 8 1s 8, 8 2s are 16, which is equal to rupees X by 2, which is equal to rupees, this is your X by 2. Is that clear? Now you have to find out profit of third person. Therefore, profit of third person is equal to, so what is the equivalent number of third person in this ratio? 5. It is 5 divided by 16 into rupees x is equal to kati bhayo? Now let's multiply it. You cannot cancel here. That is rupees 5x upon 16. Is that clear to all of you? So I think you have understood it. Aba question le ke bhandacha, profit of first person is rupees 60 less than that of the third person. Yaha ke bhandacha, profit of first person is rupees 60 less than that of the third person. Third person ले जति profit पाउँछ, first person को profit चाहिँ third person को भन्दा कति लेस हुन्छ? 60 लेस हुन्छ. भनेपछि first person ले कति कम्ती पायो? third person ले भन्दा 60 कम्ती पाउँदैछ नि त. भन्नुको मतलब third person ले चाहिँ first person ले भन्दा कति ज्यादा profit पाउँदैछ? रुपीस 60. भनेपछि कसको profit चाहिँ ज्यादा भयो त? third person को ज्यादा भयो. कतिले बेसी भयो? 60 ले बेसी भयो. अब हामी यहाँ निकाल्नु. Profit of third person कति? रुपीस 5x by 16. यहाँ profit of first person कति भयो? रुपीस 3x by 16. Question ले भन्दैछ profit of third person is more than profit of first person. Is that clear? कतिले बेसी भयो यहाँ चाहिँ? You have to subtract 5x by 16 minus 3x by 16. That is, you have to subtract profit of first person from the profit of third person. किनभने profit of third person is more than profit of first person. तो यहाँ कतिले बेसी भयो त्यो निकाल्नु. Therefore, profit of third person minus जति सक्दो एउटै लाइनमा लेख्ने ल यो. So यहाँ नउठेर मैले I am writing it in the next step. Okay? So profit of first person. ठीक छ? यहाँ चाहिँ profit of third person is more than profit of first person. Question ले चाहिँ दिएको छ. Question ले भन्दैछ third person को profit चाहिँ first person को profit भन्दा कति ज्यादा छ? रुपीस 60. कि त first person को profit चाहिँ third person को profit भन्दा कति कम्ती छ? 60. Okay? That means profit of third person is more than profit of first person. त कतिले बेसी भयो पहिला त्यो निकाल्नु हामी यहाँबाट. यहाँ profit of third person कति भयो? 5x by 16 minus what is the profit of first person? It is 3x by 16. So let us find it now. So which is equal to rupees, you can take the LCM 16. So it is 5x minus 3x is equal to rupees 2x by 16. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, which is equal to rupees. This is your x by 8. Is that clear? तो third person को profit चाहिँ third person को profit चाहिँ second person को profit भन्दा कतिले ज्यादा भयो? रुपीस x by 8 ले ज्यादा भयो. तर question ले कति भन्दैछ? रुपीस 60. But by question profit of third person is more than profit of first person by rupees 60. That is, profit of first person is rupees 60 less than that of third person. भनेको profit of third person is more than profit of first person by rupees 60. Is that clear? That is, profit of third person is more than profit of first person by rupees 60. तो अघि चाहिँ हामीले कतिले बेसी निकाल्यौं? Profit of third person is more than profit of first person by how much? Rupees x by 8. तर क्वेशनले कति दिएको छ? रुपीस 60. भनेपछि यो दुईटा के हुनु पर्यो? इक्वल. Therefore, x upon 8 is equal to 60. Therefore, 60 below 60 there is 1. You can do cross multiplication. So x is equal to 8 0 is 0, 8 6 is 48. So x is equal to 480. Actually, what was x? This is the total profit in the business. We had assumed total profit in this business as rupees X. And what is the value for X? It is 480. So you can write down, therefore total profit in the business is equal to, therefore total profit in the business, total profit in the business is equal to rupees 480, is equal to rupees 480. So this is the answer. Is that clear to all of you? So you can revise it at home. This is also very, very important question. Okay, so you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question now. So now we'll do next question, that is 17 number 5. Jayanta, Ajit and Kunal started partnership business by investing rupees 15,000. तो यहाँ क्वेश्चन ले के भन्दैछ, इन एउटा पार्टनरशिप बिजनेसमा जयन्त, अजित अनि कुणालले जम्मा टोटल इन्भेस्टमेन्ट कति गर्दैछ? रुपीस 15,000. तो यो चाहिँ टोटल इन्भेस्टमेन्ट अफ ऑल दिस थ्री पर्सन्स भइगयो. तर यहाँ जयन्तले कति इन्भेस्ट गर्दैछ भनेको छैन, अजित र कुणालले कति इन्भेस्टमेन्ट गर्दैछ त्यो के पनि भनेको छैन. त यहाँ क्वेशनले के चाहिँ भन्दैछ भन्दाखेरि, एट द एन्ड अफ द इयर, वर्षको अन्तमा जयन्त, अजित एन्ड कुणाल रिसिभ रुपीस 800, रुपीस 1000 एन्ड रुपीस 1200 रेस्पेक्टिभली एज प्रॉफिट शेयर. सो एट द एन्ड अफ द इयर, वर्षको अन्तमा व्हाट इज द प्रॉफिट शेयर अफ जयन्तको प्रॉफिट शेयर 800 अनि अजितको प्रॉफिट शेयर कति छ? रुपीस 1000 अनि कुणालको प्रॉफिट शेयर कति छ? रुपीस 1200. Is that clear? So now let us calculate the amount of Jayanta's capital that was invested in that business. त तिमीले चाहिँ के निकाल्नु पर्छ? जयन्तको क्यापिटल चाहिँ कति थियो, जयन्तको इन्भेस्टमेन्ट चाहिँ कति थियो, जयन्तले चाहिँ पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस स्टार्ट गर्दा कति तिरेको थियो त्यो निकाल्नु पर्छ. सो व्हाट वाज द क्यापिटल अफ जयन्त इन दैट बिजनेस? इज दैट क्लियर नाउ? सो नाउ let us do the solution. Total investment, the total investment is equal to rupees 15,000. Total investment is equal to rupees 15,000. So let us find out the ratio of profit. The ratio of profit ke huncha? Ratio of capital. Because you know that I already told you that ratio of capitals is equal to ratio of profit. Okay, so therefore ratio of profit is equal to, ratio of profit is equal to, first is Jayanta is to Ajit is to Kunal, right? So Jayanta को इन्भेस्टमेन्ट कति छ? रुपीस नलेखौं किन रुपीस क्यान्सल भइहाल्छ रेशियोमा. 800 is to 1000 is to 1200. Okay, so 00 gets cancels, so you can cancel it by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, which is equal to 4 is to 5 is to 6. Is that clear to all of you? And this ratio of profit will be the ratio of their capitals. Okay, so ratio of capitals is equal to Jayanta is to Ajit, Jayanta is to Ajit is to Kunal, Jayanta is to Ajit is to Kunal, which is equal to 4 is to 5 is to 6. Okay, so ratio of capitals or ratio of their investment is equal to Jayanta is to Ajit is to Kunal is equal to 4 is to 5 is to 6, right? So now here what is the total investment is equal to rupees 15,000. Now this rupees 15,000 should be divided in the ratio 4 is to 5 is to 6. Okay, that will give you Jayanta's capital. Ajit's capital and Kunal's capital. Okay, but in this case you are asked to find out only Jayanta's capital in that business. Okay, so let us find out sum of the ratio. So sum of the ratio. So what is the sum of the ratio here? 4 plus 5 plus 6. 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to what? It is 15. Now let us find out Jayanta's capital. Therefore, Jayanta's capital is equal to. Now what was Jayanta's capital in that business? So what is the equivalent number for Jayanta? It is 4. 4 divided by, what is the sum of the ratio? 15 into. What was the total investment? It is rupees 15,000. So it is rupees 15,000 is the total investment, right? So 15 ones are 15, 15 1,000. So which is equal to rupees? What is 4 into 1,000? It is rupees 4,000. It is rupees 4,000. So this is the final answer. Is that clear to all of you? So I think you have understood it. You can copy it. So this much is for today. त आज हामीले जति पनि प्रब्लम गर्यौं सबै हामीले अब्जेक्टिभ टाइप अफ क्वेशन्सहरु गर्यौं हामीले एमसीक्यू लास्ट अनलाइन क्लासमा गरेको थियौं त आज हामीले गर्यौं ट्रू अर फल्स टाइप क्वेशन्स देन फिल इन द ब्ल्याङ्क्स एन्ड दिस सर्ट आन्सर टाइप क्वेशन्स हामीले गर्यौं यो घरमा सबैले राम्रोसँग रिभिजन गर्नु बुझ्यौ सो आज हामीले यो पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस कम्प्लिट गर्यौं त जति पनि यो पार्टनरशिप बिजनेसको प्रब्लमहरु गरेका छौ सबै राम्रोसँग रिभिजन गर्नु यु क्यान डु भेरी वेल इन पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस इफ यु प्र्याक्टिस वेल एट होम तर बुझ्नु पनि पर्छ प्र्याक्टिस मात्रै गर्ने हैन तिमीले प्र्याक्टिस गर्नु अगाडि त्यो क्वेशनलाई राम्रोसँग पढ्नु बुझ्नु अनि गर्नु बुझ्यौ जति बुझ्यो जति प्र्याक्टिस गर्यो त्यति तिमीहरु म्याथमेटिक्समा पर्फेक्ट हुनेछौ त आज हामी यति नै गर्नेछौं The next online class we will do new chapters from mensuration. Okay, we will do cuboid or rectangular parallel pipette in mensuration. So in the next class we will start mensuration. Okay, so this much is for today.